Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're covering the concept of team building. As you may know, it refers to those activities that get your coworkers out of their chairs and working together. Well, guess what? They're not just about fun and games. Team building can seriously boost your company's success. What is team building? Team building is all about creating a strong, connected team. It's about helping people feel like they belong and that they can achieve great things together. It can also be a great tool for talent assessment and personal growth. The origins of team building. It all started way back in the 1930s with a study called the Hawthorne effect. This study showed that job security, recognition of their work, and a sense of belonging are essential for workers in order to be truly productive. Types of team building activities. Now, there are a ton of team building exercises out there. Let's explore three main types. Indoor. Escape rooms, problem-solving challenges, or even themed cooking classes can all be a blast. Outdoor. Get active with sports, hikes, or even a community cleanup project. Fresh air and teamwork is always a win-win. Virtual. For remote teams, there are video meetings, online games, or even virtual coffee breaks. It's all about staying connected, even at a distance. Benefits of team building. So, what exactly do you get out of team building? It enhances the problem-solving power of your employees. Working together on challenges hones your team's ability to tackle tough issues. You'll create stronger bonds as team building activities help people get to know each other better, which builds trust and communication. It improves innovation. Happy, connected teams are more creative and come up with better ideas. Finally, it helps integrate the different departments or areas within your organization by making team members communicate even if they normally don't work hand in hand. How to organize a successful team building activity. Alright, convinced? Here are some quick tips for planning your team building event. Keep groups small, around 7 people for the best results. There are great activities for every budget. Focus on what gets your team engaged. Consider your goals and pick the right activity for the skills you want to develop. Get everyone excited by sharing details about the event beforehand. After the event, see how it went. Ask your team for feedback to make future events even better. So, there you have it. Team building is a powerful tool for building a strong, successful team. You can keep learning about it by reading our blog post. And if you want to know more ways to help your team, make sure to ask us about our proctoring plans. They strengthen trust between your employees and the company. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more HR content. See you soon.